A Teenager's Prayer. Introduction. In this poem, poet tells us about the feelings of a teenager, the path he has to choose which will lead to great success or great distress. Poem. Each day brings new beginnings, decisions I must make. I'm the only one to choose the road that I will take. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success, or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right, bring out the best in me. Help, Lord, to just say no when temptation comes my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best, with you walking next to me. Explanation of poem. Every day is a new beginning in the life of a teenager, and only he has to choose the road of life which will lead to great success, or dark road which will lead to great distress. He asks God to guide him to stand for right, so that teenager can contribute his best in life. He requests God to guide him to distinguish between the right and the wrong path. He further asks God to give him strength to say no to temptations, so that he can keep his body and soul clean. He hopes that when his teenage years are over, he has lived his best with blessings of God. Summary. Poet told us about the feelings of a teenager, the path he has to choose which will lead to great success or great distress.